Welcome, today I am with NOKIA XR20 and I will show you a couple camera tricks. So at the first, I'm going to show you all the best features that you can find in the settings, and after that I'm going to talk about these options that we can find right here. So to open the settings, we have to click on the left upper corner, and as you can see at the first, we are able to add grid lines to our screen. So when you enable this option, on the modes like photo and video, you will find this help grid lines on the screen, and they help us to take better composition on our photos. So for example, if you want to put this object in the middle, right now with these lines, you are able to make it definitely easier. When we go back to the settings, we can also find location tags. When you enable this feature and then grant permission for location to our camera, we will be able to check the exact location where the photo or video was taken. So let me show you. Let's take photo like that. Click here, tap on the right upper corner, and as you can see in this place we can find the exact location where the photo was taken, and we can also able to open it in the Google Maps. When we are here, we can also find option long press on the shutter, and when we make it, we are able to capture quick video. We can capture video quickly or just take bare shot. So let's use, for example, this second option. And right now when you switch and then click and hold this shutter, you are able to take series of the photos. Of course, you can check all of them by going to the gallery, and here they are. Let's go back for the settings one more time, and as you can see when we are here, we are also able to add watermark to our photos. So click on the switcher, tap set. As you can see at the first, we can add the device information to the left bottom corner. We can pick this one or this one of these two themes. When you select personal message, we can type whatever we want. And we are able also to change theme of that custom watermark. So we can pick, for example, this one. For me it looks very cool. Okay, so as you can see here we got the watermarks. We are also able to add our custom image. Maybe I will find something in the gallery. Let's get this one, for example. And as you can see here we have this watermark picture in the left bottom corner, and that's how it looks. You will replace this normal watermarks, but let's turn them on and let's take photo. Take a look on the left bottom corner, we will find our custom watermark. I think that will be all from the settings. Yeah, that's all. And when you are here in the normal modes, we can find this very cool and useful feature. That's the Google Lenses. So when you tap on this option and then open camera, you are able to find here a lot of useful features. So for example, we are going to use this one, Google Search. You have to remember that you have to connect to the Wi-Fi network when you use that option. So that's what I'm going to do right now. For example, for this one, let me just input the password quickly. Okay, right now I'm connected, so I'm able to go back. And right now, if you are looking for something, for example, you want to find this product, you don't know what it is, so you have to basically aim your camera on that product and then click shutter to make search. And as you can see, here we can find this product online. That is decibel meter. So that's nice and useful feature. When you are on the modes, when you are in the photo mode, we are also able to add timer to our photos. So we can pick 3 or 10 seconds. When you select 3 seconds and then tap on the shutter button, after a few seconds, the photo will be taken, as you can see. Let's turn it off. When you also click on the screen just like that and move this icon like that, you are able to change brightness level on our photos without using Pro mode. As you can see, we can increase and decrease brightness level on our photos. So that's a useful feature. Okay, when you are going for the video mode, we are able to turn on white noise reduction when we shot video outside, and the same we can change the brightness level on this mode. So that's the same like in the photo and video mode. When you go for the more modes in this place, we can find, for me, two interesting options. The first one, it's very common, the Pro mode, where you are able to adjust a lot of options manually, like white balance, focus, ISO, shutter speed, and EV. Oh, we got exposure compensation, sorry guys, my mistake. And when you tap right here, you also small preview of that option. If you don't know how to use the Pro mode, you can find it on our YouTube channel. We got other video about this mode. But right now let's go back, and in the more modes we can also find the dual side. So take a look. Right now I am able to shot video with two cameras at the same time, so with the front and the rear camera, but also we can make change right here, and we are able to shot video with two cameras at the same time, with ultra wide lens and with the wide lens. So take a look. I will show you how it looks. We are also able to change size of this preview right here. Let's turn it off and let's take a look. As you can see, that's how the video looks. Maybe it will be useful mode for you. So basically that's all from the all best tricks and tips that you can find in NOKIA XR20. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.